Do you feel like you're just surviving? Waking up anxious, rushing to a job you hate, and coming home too drained to chase your real dreams? You keep saying, "I have no time." But what if I told you that your future is hiding in the dark, quiet hours before the sun comes up? If you are ready to stop sleeping on your potential, hit that subscribe button right now. Let's unlock the secret of the 5 a.m. victory. Do you know what the heaviest thing in the world is? It isn't a stone, and it isn't a car. It is your eyelid at 5 a.m. This is the story of Ben. Ben was 26 years old, and he was always rushing. He worked as a delivery driver for a food app. His life was a blur of traffic lights, angry customers, and cold pizza. He woke up at 8 a.m., panicked, rushed to work, drove for 10 hours, came home exhausted, scrolled through social media until midnight, and repeated it all the next day. He wasn't living. He was just surviving. He wanted to be a graphic designer, but he always told himself, "I'm too tired. I have no time." One rainy Tuesday, Ben's scooter broke down in front of a small, warm bakery called Leo's Loaves. It was 6 a.m. Ben was stressed and angry, kicking his tire. The owner, an old man named Leo, stepped out. Leo was 70, but he moved with the energy of a 30-year-old. He handed Ben a hot coffee. "Rough start?" Leo asked with a smile. "My life is a rough start," Ben snapped. "I'm broke, I'm tired, and I'm stuck driving this scooter forever because I don't have time to learn anything else." Leo looked at him calmly. "You don't lack time, son. You lack a morning." Leo invited Ben inside. "I bake the best bread in the city. Do you know why? Because I'm kneading the dough while the rest of the city is dreaming. If you want a life different from everyone else, you have to do what everyone else won't do." Leo grabbed a napkin and wrote down a simple formula: the 5 a.m. victory. "I challenge you," Leo said. "Give me 60 days, just 2 months. If your life doesn't change, I'll pay for your scooter repairs myself." Leo gave Ben 3 simple rules. 5 a.m. to 6 a.m., the brain hour. No phone, no TV. You learn a new skill. 6 a.m. to 7 a.m., the body hour. You run, you stretch, and you plan your day. The price: you must sleep by 9:30 p.m. You cannot build a future if you are exhausted. The next morning, Ben's alarm went off at 5 a.m. It felt like torture. It was dark and cold. His brain screamed, "Just 5 more minutes." But he remembered the old baker's challenge. He got up. For the first week, Ben was a zombie. He sat at his kitchen table, staring at online tutorials for graphic design. His eyes hurt. He felt lonely. But by day 21, the fog lifted. While his friends were sleeping, Ben was mastering Photoshop. While his neighbors were hitting snooze, Ben was running in the park, watching the sunrise. He realized that 5 a.m. was the only time the world didn't ask him for anything. It was his time. By day 45, Ben wasn't just watching tutorials. He was building a portfolio. He redesigned the menu for Leo's bakery as a thank you. Leo put it in the window. A marketing manager from a local tech company came in for a bagel, saw the menu, and asked, "Who designed this?" Leo smiled and pointed to the delivery boy outside. On day 60, Ben walked into Leo's bakery. He wasn't wearing his delivery helmet. He was wearing a clean shirt. "I quit the delivery job," Ben said, his voice steady. "I start as a junior designer on Monday." Leo didn't look surprised. He just nodded. "You see, Ben? The magic wasn't in the job offer. The magic was in the quiet hours, when nobody was watching. Ben is not special. He just stopped negotiating with his alarm clock. The distance between the life you have and the life you want is usually 2 hours a day. Here is your challenge for tomorrow. Set your alarm for 5 a.m. Put your phone across the room. Decide tonight what you will build tomorrow morning. Don't let your dreams stay in your sleep. Wake up and build them. Are you ready to join the 5 a.m. club?